The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Fayette County, Ohio, until 4 p.m. At 3:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Washington Courthouse, moving at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated.
Darn it!
Expect wind damage to trees and power lines.
That scared me.
Locations impacted include Washington Courthouse, Bloomingburg, Madison Mills,
Yes.
and Jasper Mills. Now, impact, minor hail. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Fayette County, Ohio, southwestern Pickaway County, northwestern Ross County, and south central Ohio until 4:15 p.m. At 3:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near New Holland, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, law enforcement. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Washington Courthouse, Williamsport, New Holland, Clarksburg, Deer Creek Lake, State Route 207 at U.S. Route 22, Plano, and Pancosburg. A severe...
Never mind.
The National Weather Service issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Franklin County, Ohio, southeastern Delaware County until 4:45 p.m.
Uh-oh.
At 8 p.m., a severe
Uh-oh.
thunderstorm was located over Hilliard,
Uh-oh.
east at 35
Hilliard!
miles an hour.
Oh, God.
Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated.
What the hell?
Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Columbus, Dublin, Westerville, Reynoldsburg, Upper Arlington, Gahanna, Hilliard, Worthington, Bexley, Powell, West Jefferson, Minerva Park, The Ohio State University, Lake Darby, Valeris, Easton, Whitehall, New Albany, Grandview Heights, and Valley View. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 87 and 103. I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 106 and 123. And quarter-size hail. Source, public.
Never mind.
Through 5:30 p.m. At 4:59 p.m. Severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Franklin County, Ohio, northeastern Madison County until 6 p.m. At 5:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near London, moving northeast at 15 miles an hour.
What the?
Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbus, Dublin, Grove City, Hilliard, London, Jefferson, West Jefferson, Lake Darby, Urban Crest, Valley View, Lafayette, Interstate 70 at U.S. Route 42, Amity, Lily Chapel, Georgesville, Madison Lake, Darby Dale, Big Plain, Wrightsville, and Lincoln Village.
Cool.
This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 77 and 98. I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 103 and 105. 97 and 98. I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 103 and 105. Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Coshocton County, northwestern Guernsey County, northeastern Muskingum County until 6:15 p.m. At 5:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Dresden, or 12 miles southwest of Coshocton, moving northeast at 10 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Coshocton, West Lafayette, Dresden, Conesville, Plainfield, Otsego, Bowdoin, and Chile. A severe...
The heck? Shut.
Guernsey County, southwestern Harrison County, northeastern Muskingum County, southeastern Tuscarawas County until 7 p.m. At 6:19 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles northeast of New Concord, or 5 miles northwest of Cambridge, moving east at 30 miles an hour.
What?
Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts.
Oh.
Source, radar indicator.
Okay, bro.
Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
I know
Locations impacted include Cambridge, Freeport, New Concord, Desville, Antrim, Quaker City, Lower City, Old Washington, Salesville, Tippecanoe, Otsego, Birmingham, Bowdoin, Salt Fork State Park, Hoboken, and Clendening Lake. Here is a special weather statement.
I think we don't cut it.
Illinois County. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Adams County in south central Ohio, west central Pike County in south central Ohio, southeastern Highland County in south central Ohio until 7:15 p.m. At 6:31 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Seaman, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, law enforcement.
Whoa.
Impact,
Observe.
minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Peebles, Seaman, Belfast, Kincaid Springs, Cherry Fork, Sinking Spring, Poplar Grove, Duncansville, Mayhill, Smoky Corners, Locust Grove, and Serpent Mound. You're listening to NOAA Weather, All Hazards Radio, KJY68, Chillicothe, Ohio, originating from the National Weather Service office in Wilmington, Ohio. We have interrupted our regular programming as severe weather is affecting our listening area.
I've never heard the severe weather station ID on KJY before.
The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Coshocton County, northwestern Guernsey County, northeastern Muskingum County until 6:15 p.m. At 5:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Dresden, or 12 miles southwest of Coshocton, moving northeast at 10 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Coshocton, West Lafayette, Dresden, Conesville, Plainfield, Otsego, Bowdoin, and Chile.
Go.
eastern Muskingum County until 6:15 p.m. Storm was located over Dresden, or 12 miles southwest of Coshocton, moving northeast at 10 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Coshocton, West Lafayette, Dresden, Collinsville, Plainfield,